Hello. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real-style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly. We keep it natural. Today's topic is talking about family.
Hi everyone, I am Steve. Family is a great topic. Also, family stories are funny.
Yes, family is love and also chaos.
Exactly. My family is nice, but they are loud.
Many families are loud. Okay, let's start like a real conversation. No word lists, just a friendly chat.
But still easy English.
Yes, easy English. Steve, quick question. Do you have a big family?
I think it is medium. Not huge, not small. Medium.
Medium family. I like that. How many people?
In my close family, 5. My mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, and me.
Nice. So you have one sister and one brother.
Yes, I am in the middle.
Oh, middle child energy.
What does that mean?
It means you want attention, but you also want peace.
Wow, that is true. I want attention quietly. What about you, Luma? Do you have a big family?
My family is also medium, but my extended family is big, a lot of cousins.
Cousins are the fun part.
Yes, at family parties, cousins are everywhere. Kids running, people talking, music loud.
Food on the table. Always food.
Always food.
Okay, let's talk about family words naturally. Like when I talk about my mom, I say my mom.
Yes, in English, we often say mom or mother. Mom is more casual.
Mother sounds serious.
Exactly. Same with dad and father.
I say dad. My dad is calm. He is a quiet person.
That's nice. My mom is calm too, but when she's angry, she's very calm.
That is scary calm.
Yes, silent power. My mom is very organized. She loves lists. She loves planning. My mom likes planning too. Moms have a special planning skill.
Like a superpower.
Yes. Steve, what is your sister like?
My sister is funny. She is smart. She talks fast.
Fast talker.
Yes, she can talk for 1 hour, no breaks.
Wow.
Sometimes I say, please breathe. She says, I am breathing.
And your brother?
My brother is sporty. He likes soccer. He likes the gym.
So he's active.
Very active. He wakes up early. He runs. He drinks green juice.
Green juice is a strong personality.
Yes, green juice people are serious. Luma, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a sister. She is kind. She is helpful.
That is great. Sisters can be best friends.
Yes, but sometimes sisters borrow clothes.
Oh no.
Without asking.
Crime. Do you talk to your grandparents a lot?
Yes, when I can. Grandparents are special. They tell stories, old stories.
And they give snacks.
Yes, eat, eat, eat. Grandparents love feeding people.
My grandma always says, "Are you hungry?" Even when I'm eating.
In English, we say grandma or grandmother, grandpa or grandfather.
I say grandma and grandpa. Simple.
Yes, very natural.
My grandpa is funny. He tells the same joke every time.
Does he laugh?
Yes, he laughs first, then we laugh because he laughs.
That's sweet. Families have routines, like dinner together or phone calls on Sunday.
In my family, Sunday calls are real. My mom calls. If I don't answer, she calls again.
Moms do not give up.
Never. And she starts with, "Are you okay?" Like I'm missing for 5 years.
And you say,
Yes, I'm okay. I was in the shower. She says, okay, but answer faster.
classic.
My family also has a group chat. It is active.
Family group chats are intense.
Yes. My aunt sends good morning messages with flowers and shining stars.
Always the flowers.
Always.
My family has that too, and sometimes videos. Very long videos.
Long videos are dangerous. I press play and I lose my life. Okay, if a beginner wants to describe family, what can they say?
Simple adjectives are enough, like kind, funny, quiet, loud, friendly, busy.
My family is loud, but they are loving.
Nice. My family is busy, but we stay close.
Close family is good.
Yes. You can also say, we talk a lot, we help each other, we eat together.
We eat together is my favorite family sentence.
Of course. Steve, tell a short family story.
Okay, last week I visited my parents. My mom said, "You are too thin."
Oh,
Yes. Then my dad said, "You are fine." Then my mom said, "No, he is too thin." Then she gave me a huge plate of food. And after dinner, she said, "Do you want more?" More. I was not a person anymore. I was a full bag.
a full bag. That is a mom moment.
Yes. In my mom's world, love is food.
Many moms do that. Okay, quick recap. Just a simple one. Today we talked about family in easy English. Mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa, cousins, aunts, and uncles, and we used simple descriptions: kind, funny, quiet, loud, busy.
And we learned one universal truth.
What is it?
Families love food, and family group chats never sleep.
True. Thank you for listening to Read to Talk. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.